Cooks. I'm taking on an elusive hunt for Slenderman. He should be pretty scared after what I did to that snowman. He went this way. And here. Okay. It's a no. You can't run. You can't run? Yes, I can. Get the camera.
Wait.
Who's that? You?
Yeah.
Who hired you?
You did.
I did.
You did, yeah.
I mean, you're like the least athletic person I know. We're hunting for Slenderman. You gotta run. He's gonna eat you.
Well, he's gonna have a feast. This will be Thanksgiving.
Found another. Behind you. Behind you. It's a camera. How long have you been there? I found another. Don't look where it takes you. Takes me where? London.
Oh, it's not that bad because you're from London.
China. Yes, I am from China.
Yes, China.
Ah! I'm Fish Cooks, trying to survive in Sweden.